New Mexico is witnessing one of the largest wildfires of recent times, and in the past 1 week, the wildfire has spread across in the region and has now reached the mountains where the wildfire is ravaging across. People have been evacuated as New Mexico's authorities have taken the initiative to rescue people, and fortunately thousands of residents have been evacuated and taken to safer places. The wildfire has still not been doused as it has been spreading across Santa Fe region and is also spreading towards the mountains. Authorities are doing their best to bring down the fire under control. However, due to winds blowing at high speed, the fire, instead of being doused, has only gone ahead with a greater speed and has spread to many other places in New Mexico. Authorities are doing their best to bring down the situation back to normal, and they have been successful in evacuating thousands of residents who have been living in that area. Stay updated with me. Thank you.